Dr. Twine nagira ngo kwetombita kwingi kuhirwe abantu batari bamwe na bamwe barukwetombita abashaho ahirwaro rikure rya Fort Portal ngo babiha empiha kandi ngo bamwe ni boshayosha.
The time has come when really we are not going to tolerate this kind of absenteeism. Extortion of money. That this thing just from it kills my heart. I wish no one talked about this because it just raises my serotonin to 100%. My whole blood now is fully saturated.
Extortion is very hard in this hospital. So really let's work on that. Rudeness of staff. The staff here are rude. You know, most of our patients who come here are sick. Sick, tired, work. So if you add that rudeness to our staff, that makes even my complication even worse.
Okurijera Dr. Twine bamumbashaho bineza clinics kandi eki kibaretiro kwihabarwire mu marwariro babatwara mu clinics zabo omuze ogwajumirire.
Even obstetrician, they come and poach. Instead of working and referring patients to the hospital and find them there, they say, now there, I will not find it. Now you call me. Some people even pay there and they are brought here.
Our salary is good. And really it is good. So there is no point for you to keep pretending that you are working when you are not working. And there are very many people there who are willing to come and work. So we do not want this kind of ranking where every time everybody is telling you, Fort Portal Hospital, no. Fort Portal Hospital, no.
How many times have you come and said, where is the duty roster? On maternity, which other is supposed to be here? Can you witness? Whoever found witness here, you keep. I want that information. I want that information because that one I will take it to Health Service Commission and that person will immediately lose their job and immediately we advertise and we fill the position. Immediately.
Omuhwezi wa RCC bwa Fort Portal Emma Businge nagira ngu enshonga yo kushaba abarwire sente ahirware eri terinsia.
This may be an isolated case, but there could be other cases. But the case we try to follow up as security, we realized someone was an imposter and escaped. So I reached out to him to see to it that he puts sensitive CCTV cameras in sensitive places so that even if someone runs away, you can be able to retract some footage and then you can follow up something.
Dr. Twine hamwe n'abandi bakuru kurwo Minisitiri y'Ebyamagara babire bizira hirwaro okurambura umurimo gwo kombeka Fort Portal Satellite Laboratory. Gashakwa Jonathan Singwire.